Results review for the proof of concept or the pilot, asking for the commitment. By this point in the sales process, we should be viewed as part of their team working on providing a solution to a problem they wish to see solved. We should have momentum building to the completion of the POC or pilot and have relationships with several of the key people in the decision team. At the completion of the POC or pilot, we have a summary review meeting to present our findings and review any outstanding issues. This is where feature creep is likely to occur. The customer understands what we do, how we do it, and how it operates in their environment. They will almost certainly request additional features, integrations, and capabilities beyond those that have been discovered. Pro tip: we've invested the time and effort to install, support, and complete the POC or pilot, so we're the most vulnerable to compromise and negotiation. If we ask the key questions as part of the qualification and POC definition steps, will you buy if when we deliver and demonstrate X, then we can start our compromise discussion from that point. If we did not ask that question and receive an affirmative answer from the person who matters, then we're completely vulnerable to additional feature creep. Checklist: results review meeting commitment. Does the customer agree that the value was demonstrated per the agreement before the POC was executed? Is the system as demonstrated sufficient to the customer to begin a limited production deployment? If not, what needs to be done? Is it reasonable in a short period of time? Our next step is the proposal.